powdered peanut butter. Tastes nothing like the real thing.
I don't have too far to go. What was it, 26?
About 26 kilometers.
Something like that.
Easily doable.
We should be able to do that, no problem.
So we are just loading up, about to put in, and we're going to be paddling up this beautiful channel. So just got to get going. We're we're behind schedule again. We've been fighting with time the whole trip. So yeah, we got to get going. Hey Sean, hurry up! What you doing? We got to get going. Come on. Already?
Gotta lather up out here, man. Especially on the water.